1. Which is the animal that can see even in darkness? A. Pie. B. Dog. C. Deer. D. Cat. The answer is A. Pie. 2. Which country first discovered water on the moon? A. China. B. Israel. C. India. D. America. The answer is C. India. 3. Who is called the father of ghazals? A. Amir Khusro. B. Alauddin. C. Nawazuddin. D. Rahat Indori. The answer is A. Amir Khusro. 4. In which country using internet is considered illegal? A. In France. B. In Iran. C. In Vietnam. D. Burma. The answer is D. Burma. 5. Where is India's historical monument Charminar located? A. In Delhi. B. In Hyderabad. C. In Ahmedabad. D. In Agra. The answer is B. In Hyderabad. 6. At what age can polio drops be given? A. 2 years. B. 1 year. C. 3 years. D. 4 years. The answer is B. 1 year. 7. Under which tree did Gautam Buddha attain enlightenment? A. Neem. B. Banyan. C. Banana. D. People. The answer is D. People. 8. Which disease is caused by drinking cold drinks? A. Jaundice. B. Diabetes. C. Asthma. D. Cancer. The answer is B. Diabetes. 9. Which vitamin is found in salt? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin B. D. Vitamin A. The answer is A. Vitamin C. 10. What is the function of hemoglobin in the body? A. Transportation of blood. B. Transport of oxygen. C. Killing bacteria. D. Making iron. The answer is B. Transport of oxygen. 11. Why does a stick immersed in water appear tilted? A. Refraction. B. Condensation. C. Weight. D. Reflection. The answer is A. Refraction. 12. Which country does not have a single airport? A. Nepal. B. Vatican City. C. Japan. D. Russia. The answer is B. Vatican City. 13. Which is the brightest planet visible from Earth? A. Saturn. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Mercury. The answer is B. Venus. 14. Which is the plant that eats meat? A. Grape. B. Nepenthes attenboroughi. C. Aloe vera. D. Neem. The answer is B. Nepenthes attenboroughi. 15. Which is India's first satellite? A. Aryabhatta. B. Rohini. C. Chandrayaan. D. Bhaskar. The answer is A. Aryabhatta.